Hi everyone, this is Rachel. I'm going to be singing Sober by Kelly Clarkson, and I hope you enjoyed. It's not going to be long. It's about 30 to probably 40 seconds. So here we go. Well, I don't know. This could break my heart or save me. Nothing's real.